Hey everybody, Joe here from Barren Overland. We are excited to offer this new rooftop tent brand. Their name is Barren Overland. The owner of this company is actually pretty local here to our Westchester, PA shop. He brought it by to show off, and we were pretty impressed with the quality of it. So I want to do a quick little walkthrough of the tent, show off some of the features, and this might be the perfect solution for someone looking for a more budget option rooftop tent out there on the market, but still has some really premium features. So let's take a closer look. So getting this Barren's Overland rooftop tent set up is really easy. All you're gonna do is use this included lock tool here. You'll unlock both of these sides, flip that down, and then really all you do is start to lift on this handle, and then the gas struts will take over, lift it the rest of the way. This bungee's in here just kind of helps cinch everything in when you're closing it. So you just pull that down, and then this here is the handle that helps you close it. And then you'll just pull out the rain canopy rods. And these kind of just go in right here on the side. And then you just bend them up and they hook through the rain canopy there. And you're pretty much set up, ready to go. So starting off where you enter into this tent, this has a nice deployable rain canopy. So if it's raining outside, you can still have this kind of screen door open on the inside, still getting airflow through the tent while also providing some rain protection. The cool thing I like about this tent is this is actually removable. So if you don't want to have this on there, you can simply undo the zipper and the whole thing will come off. So it's a nice flexibility to see. This tent also comes with kind of the standard rooftop tent ladder. This is cool because these ladder attachment points are actually movable. So with the big side windows in here, if you for some reason wanted to get in on the driver or passenger side, you can easily move around these ladder brackets to the kind of the side of your choosing. Up front here, we also get to look at the aluminum kind of frame of this tent. So we're using an aluminum kind of extrusion here on the side, which allows you to slip some nuts in there and allows you to mount really endless accessories on here. So you can mount your awning right to here. If you want to carry an axe, shovel, kind of any overland accessory you want to carry, the T-slots on here make it super easy to attach to the tent. Here, moving down the side of the tent, you can see this kind of T-track extrusion extends all the way down the sides, which again allows you for endless kind of mounting options. Right here we have the assisted gas strut, which makes this tent super easy to open. Basically once you unlatch it, you start to lift up on the handle and it basically lifts itself up. We also get to look at the big side windows here. These both have bug screens and kind of the solid tent fabric that roll up and zip out of the way. So if you're in a nice area and there's not many bugs out, you can leave everything down, get a nice panoramic view. If it's super buggy where you're at, they have this nice mesh screen built in that you can zip up. Also up here on the side of the tent, there's these really nice built-in ventilation kind of vents up here. This makes it super nice, get some extra ventilation blowing through the tent, even if you have everything all zipped up and closed. Also wanted to point out that on the side of kind of the rain awning here, there is these mesh screen windows, which give you some better visibility. It also allows some more airflow to kind of cross over. Even with this as deployed, you're still gonna get a nice breeze coming through the tent. One thing I absolutely love about this rooftop tent is these crossbars are included into the package. So these simply mount into the T-track extrusion on the side and allow you for a bunch of different mounting options up on the roof. So if you wanted to mount a fly rod holder, surfboard, solar panels, you get a lot of flexibility of using this roof as an additional mounting point. Now let's take a look at everything inside of this Barren's rooftop tent. So starting off, this comes with a nice kind of extra thick foam mattress here with a nice diamond kind of quilted pattern here. These are really dressed up, like kind of classy feel. That same stitch pattern is also up here on the roof. Really makes for a nice kind of premium looking and feeling interior here. Some other really nice features I like to see are these integrated storage pockets. So there's pockets on either side there to keep your belongings kind of organized in here. And there's also this organizer up here on the headliner with 6 pockets overall, and the center pocket is kind of a mesh. I think they did that so you could slide an iPad or your phone in there so you could watch some stuff at night while you're falling asleep. I also like that this kind of storage cubby pocket is also removable up here. So if you don't want that up there, you can remove it. Some nice flexibility. But yeah, the inside of this tent is super premium. The big windows give you a nice kind of 360 view around. And last thing I wanted to note, this does have a built-in LED light there up on the roof. So you can kind of keep things illuminated at night. Having that integrated just saves you a lot of time and effort. You don't have to set up another kind of system. It's already built in, the USB port's right there. So you can run it off a little battery pack and keep things lit up inside. So yeah, that's basically wraps up the interior here. So if you want to learn more about this Pine Barrens Overland pop-up rooftop tent, go ahead and click the link down in our description. Check out the product page listing. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Mainline Overland. Happy to answer all of your questions and get you out there camping in a rooftop tent this season.